What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're having an amazing day. And in today's video, I'm just going to do a small little comparison between the Galaxy A8 Plus official One UI update and a Redmi Note 5 Pro running Galaxy Note 9 One UI ported ROM. So again, I was actually going to compare this thing with a Galaxy A9 and stuff, but I seriously thought that Galaxy A9 is a later of a version phone than the Redmi Note 5 Pro. A Galaxy A8 Plus would be the perfect choice, like the three cameras, two on the back for the Redmi Note 5 Pro, single on the back, two on the front, single on the front. So again, it makes a quite sense, to be honest. Again, the screen to body ratio of these phones is just completely identical. I actually posted a story of Galaxy 8 Plus on my Instagram, and just everyone thought that it was Redmi Note 5 Pro with a newer build of One UI. Like, the similarities on both of these are just unbelievable. But then again, both of them are 1080p displays, LCD versus LED. But in this comparison, we will just take a look at a bit of a speed test and just the features that they get. Because many of you guys actually asked me, in features, both are pretty much the same. This is a Note 9 build, that's why it has more software features, but this is an official update, so it has almost everything working. Like, Samsung camera would never work on the Note 5 Pro. Then again, the always on display works on the Galaxy 8 Plus, so it won't actually make sense ever, but let's just do it for the fun. So for example, both of them are running One UI 1.0, not the 1.1 from the Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's just take a look at the performance cards. Both of these are made for pretty much the same performance. Like the Exynos 7885 was made to just match the Snapdragon 636, but as we are playing the benefit of the price, Galaxy 8 Plus still costs like 30,000 rupees, which is like the thrice of the Redmi Note 5 Pro right now. So for example, if you go to the Android benchmark, we are running a bit of a higher clocks on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So it scores around 138K when compared to the 113K which it actually showed on the stock clock. So it's kind of near to the Snapdragon 660, but we have official customization when compared to a custom ROM. So it should be fair, to be honest. So closing everything in the background, let's just start with the phone app in 3, 2, 1. Why is there a message? Like, this is my life, guys. So 3, 2, 1 for the phone app. There you go. Note 5 Pro was much faster. Messages app in 3, 2, 1. Pretty much the same. Web browser. 8 just felt a bit faster over there. Calendar. Wow, 8 was faster. Pretty good. Despite of the Android benchmarks. Play Store. Tad a bit faster. The app opened pretty much the same. Gallery. Pretty much the same. Settings app. Note 5 Pro was faster. Then again, let's just try with the third party apps, like let's just try Instagram in 3, 2, 1. Pretty much the same. Wow. Like, this thing costs like thrice of the Redmi Note 5 Pro, but still has a shitty like dual camera setup. Like, not even second hand at the back, but does have a glass body, which is not of a huge deal. Now Redmi Note 7 even has it. But let's just now try it with a heavier app. Share it. 3, 2, 1. Pretty much opened at the both time. Wow, that was completely the same. Then again, the game launcher, cause we have the S10 one on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Wow, again the same, which is quite actually good, cause Redmi Note 5 Pro is actually running a bit of a heavier UI version from the Note 9. So even if you go to the Bixby Home, I guess there was a bit of a lag over there. Even if you go to the Bixby Home, as you can see, there is no status bar over there up top, cause this is an older, heavier version from the S9 and the Note 9s, and the newer optimized ones does have the status bar over there up top. But if you go to the settings app and stuff, if you go to the display, both of them have pretty much normal features such as the night mode and things common in working. But the night mode on the Galaxy 8 Plus does actually not make sense at all. For example, Note 5 Pro is actually going darker than this thing, despite of having an LCD, cause on the Galaxy 8 Plus, it has a Super AMOLED panel, but Samsung has given a gradient on it, so it doesn't actually go completely dark. It's just completely same to the LCD. Let me just turn off my lights. I know you guys can't see still anything at all, but I guess my point is clear. But Galaxy 8 Plus does get an option for scheduled time, which we do have in the developer option, so it's just a bit of a far stretch over there. But even if you go to the advanced features, you don't actually get an edge, because Galaxy 8 Plus does have more features than the Note 9. For example, if you go to the motions and gestures over here on the both, Note 9 doesn't even get lift to wake, which is from the Galaxy S10. So again, bit of a weird play from there, Samsung. And then we have digital well-being embedded into the official settings app. So again, it just works completely great. You can track down your apps and stuff over here, whereas I have actually added it manually into my Redmi Note 5 Pro. So again, digital well-being is actually working, but not inside the settings app. This was just for the fun purposes, and those who are asking when there will be a stable build of the One UI, guys, a sad news, it would be almost never be coming, cause Samsung just keeps on fixing everything which developers do. like they fixed the reel on the OnePlus 6. Yes, OnePlus 6 in point in time had 4G working on it on the One UI, but now it doesn't because Samsung patched it. And yeah, even developer confirmed it to me that there are some Samsung employees spying on them and just patching everything that they do. So we have hopes with the Galaxy A9, but the possibility of even it working with the modem is just extremely low. So guys, fingers are crossed. I seriously don't know nothing about it, but subscribe to stay tuned. Again, like this video so the developer gets it noted, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.